How to make egg fried rice. Heat wok until very hot, then add in your oil. Next, add in some scrambled egg, like this, and let cook. Once cooked, break up egg. You see, easy. Just like make scrambled egg. Once egg cooked, leave to the side. Next, add in more oil. Make sure wok covered. Then add in your pre-cooked boiled rice, like this. Break it up. Now add in teaspoon of salt. Then you will add teaspoon MSG. Next, you use soy sauce. We use light soy sauce first. Break up rice and move about, so all cover with soy sauce. Add more as you go. No want add too much at start or be too dark. We like use few different types, but you can just use one brand soy sauce. Keep cooking until all rice is covered. Then add in your dark soy sauce for final time and keep covering the rice. You see now has nice brown color, just like Chinese takeaway. Once rice is all covered and broke up, you will add in your egg. Just add in to top and again break it up and move about. This will distribute the egg all through your rice. We making very large portion for a party. You see, lovely jubbly. One wok of rice will feed 5-6 people. And here you have final product. Lovely jubbly. Please like,